Scott here with Home Perfect Restoration, and I quickly just want to talk about, with all the wildfires going on, an evacuation checklist that homeowners should be aware to bring with them. When you're being evacuated, you don't know if your house is going to be standing when you get back. You don't know how long you're going to be displaced for. So just a few things to consider bringing with you would be your passport, would be your plastics, your credit cards, so you actually have money to pay for food and lodging when you're gone. Your insurance policy, so you can contact your insurance company if you're displaced and see what you have for coverage to cover meals or housing for you while you're gone. Prescriptions is a big thing that people forget. So any of your prescription medications, bring that with you. Obviously people, pets, keys. Having toiletries with you will help you just with that initial displacement where you have your toothpaste, your deodorants, and toothbrushes. Having a small bag put together, especially if you're in a fire area, would be a great idea. And we will put a bigger description of items that we think you should have with you in the comments below.